Okay, for those of you having trouble doing proportions and solving them, this is a very simple process. You're basically going to have a setup like this with two fractions. These are called ratios, and when the ratios are equal to each other, we find this missing value by simply cross multiplying and dividing. So here's what's going to happen. You're literally going to multiply 2 times x diagonally like that. And you only do this when it's equal in the middle. 2 times x is 2x. Then you write the equal sign, and then what you're going to do is you're going to multiply 13.5 times 3, and you're going to get 40.5. And then all you have to do is basically get the x by itself, so you'll divide both sides by 2, and when you do that, you get an answer of x equals 20.25. And that is how you solve a proportion. Now, the more challenging type of proportion could look something like this, where you have, so here's another example, 3 plus x over 2 equals 4 over 5. And that just means basically you're doing the same thing, but you're going to multiply the 5 twice. So when we cross multiply here, we get 2 times 4 is 8. And when we cross multiply this way, we do 5 times the 3, and that's going to give us 15. You also do 5 times the x. So you multiply the 3 and the x by 5. So 5 times x is going to be plus 5x. And then you just basically solve it like you normally would. You're going to subtract 15 from both sides. You're trying to get x by itself. And you get negative 7 equals 5x, and then you divide both sides by 5. And you get a final answer of negative 7 over 5. If you put it in a calculator, you can do that as well. You will get x equals negative 1.4. Either answer is acceptable. And that's really all there is to it, and good luck.